I am Dr. A.H.M. Abjalul Haq Rana, Assistant Professor of Urology from Dhaka Medical College, Bangladesh. I came here to learn laparoscopic urology from Medicity. And being a urologist in Bangladesh, I'm good at endoscopic surgery, PCNL, and other things. But in my open surgery, I was good at open surgery also, but I was weak in laparoscopic urological surgery. I came here to know what they teach us and what I can learn from them. The training was tremendous. I am very thankful to the staffs, and special thanks to lab skill workers or specialists who have taught us so brilliantly. I'm especially thank you to Murtuja sir, Sufyan sir, and others. I'm thankful to them throughout my life. And I'm grateful to Professor Anurag Dhawan and other sirs also. He taught me laparoscopy in such a way that what I thought was very tough, now I think it is very easy if I practice this in my country. And regarding me, I consider myself, I will be one of the best laparoscopic urological surgeons in Bangladesh also. And my prayer is always with the Medicity so that they can teach other students and doctors, they can be good laparoscopic surgeons. Thank you all.